Eye2Future, 16 billion accounts compromised. Protect yourself. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some incredibly critical news that you need to hear, and you need to act on it right now. We're talking about an unprecedented data leak, potentially the largest in history, that has exposed over 16 billion login credentials. That's right, 16 billion. This isn't just some small-time breach. We're talking about credentials from major platforms you use every single day. Apple, Google, Facebook, GitHub, Telegram, and even various government services. This isn't old, recycled data from past breaches. Cybersecurity researchers are calling this fresh, weaponizable intelligence at scale. It's a blueprint for mass exploitation. Now you might be thinking, why haven't I heard about this everywhere? Well, while it's breaking news in the cybersecurity world, it's still unfolding. This data was primarily gathered by info-stealer malware malicious software designed to silently snatch your logins and passwords from your compromised computers. These datasets, some containing billions of records, have been appearing and disappearing quickly, making them hard to track, but the damage is already done. So what does this mean for you? It means your online accounts, your identity, and even your financial security could be at serious risk. These leaked credentials are prime targets for phishing attacks, identity theft, and full-blown account takeovers. But don't panic! While the scale of this leak is terrifying, there are concrete steps you can take immediately to protect yourself. And that's exactly what we're going to cover. Step 1. Check if you're affected. The first thing you need to do is find out if your passwords are among the compromised. Google Password Checkup. If you use Google Chrome, Google has a built-in password checkup feature that can tell you if any of your saved passwords have been exposed. Go to passwords.google.com and run the checkup. Reputable breach checkers. Websites like Have I Been Pwned? HIBP. And various cybersecurity companies like Avast and F-Secure offer free tools where you can enter your email address to see if it's been linked to any data breaches. Be sure to use a reputable source. Step 2. Change your passwords immediately. If any of your accounts show up as compromised, or frankly, even if they don't, change your passwords now. Unique passwords for every account. This is absolutely critical. If you reuse passwords, one leaked password can compromise all your accounts. Strong passwords. Make them long, complex, and use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid easily guessable information. Start with critical accounts. Prioritize email, banking, social media, and any accounts with financial information or sensitive personal data. Step 3. Enable Multi-Factor Authentication, MFA, everywhere. This is your single best defense. Even if a hacker gets your password, MFA requires a second form of verification, like a code from your phone or a biometric scan, making it nearly impossible for them to log in. Authenticator apps. Use apps like Google Authenticator or Authy. Hardware security keys. For the highest level of security, consider hardware keys like YubiKey, especially for your most sensitive accounts. Avoid SMS-based MFA. While better than nothing, SMS can be vulnerable to SIM swapping attacks. Use authenticator apps or hardware keys if possible. Step 4. Use a password manager. Remembering dozens of unique, complex passwords is impossible. A password manager securely stores and generates strong passwords for you. This is a game changer for your online security. Popular options include LastPass, Bitwarden, 1Password, and KeePass. Step 5. Be hyper-vigilant against phishing. Cybercriminals will be using this leaked data to craft highly targeted phishing emails and messages. Never click on suspicious links. Verify the sender. Always check the email address, not just the display name. Don't give out personal information. No legitimate company will ask for your password via email or text. If in doubt, go directly to the official website. Step 6. Monitor your accounts and credit. Keep a close eye on your bank statements, credit card activity, and credit reports for any suspicious transactions or new accounts opened in your name. You can get a free annual credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus. Step 7. Consider passkeys. Some platforms like Google are pushing for passkeys. These are a more secure, passwordless way to log in, often using biometrics on your device. Where available, start making the switch. This data breach is a stark reminder that our online security is a continuous effort. It's not a one-and-done deal. By taking these steps, you're not just reacting to this particular leak. You're significantly strengthening your overall digital defenses against future threats. Share this video with everyone you know. Your friends, family, colleagues, they all need to be aware of this and take action. The more people who secure their accounts, the safer the internet becomes for all of us. Don't wait. Act now. Check your passwords, change them, enable MFA, and secure your digital life. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.